This is how to lose 5 million naira in 5 seconds. If you're looking for the fastest way to blow millions of naira in Naija today, buy a Nigerian used car without checking these 8 subtle details. In the second half of this year, I would love to make sure your hard-earned money doesn't end up paying your mechanic's house rent.
Put your eye well. May you hear my advice.
Number 1. Check for rust. Get dirty. If the needs be, check the frames very well for rust. Don't just look at the clean paint job on the top. Squat down, bend down, and look at the subframe. If you see a deep structural rust or flaky metal underneath, especially on imported Tokumo cars from flooded prone regions, walk away immediately. Number 2. Engine and gearbox condition. Feel the engine idle settles. Don't rush. Put it in drive. Put the transmission in drive and reverse. Does it delay? Does it jerk violently or chunk hard? A sleepy transmission is an instant 600k or 1.2 million naira trap waiting to happen. And number 3, any strange noise apart from the engine noise is a no-no. Turn off that music, roll down the window, and listen carefully. Any knocking sound from the top engine block means one hand lifters or bearing. Any loud humming sound where turning the steering indicates a failing power steering pump or steering rack. Grind. If the car sounds like a grinding machine, run. Number 4, sludgy engine oil, especially in the exhaust tip. Pull the dipstick and open the engine oil cap. If you see a black sludge or white milk-like residue, the previous owner neglected oil changes or the head gasket is gone. Next, you would want to rev the engine while someone watches the exhaust. Blue smoke. If the smoke is blue, it means burning oil or a failing piston ring. If the smoke is black, it means bad fuel mixture or injection. If the smoke is white and thick, it means there is coolant leakage into the combustion chamber. You should take this thing seriously. And number 5, check for signs of accidental repairs. Sellers can easily spray fresh paint over broken bodies. Check the panel gaps around the hood doors and trucks. Are they well closed or are they uneven? Open the hood and inspect the radiator support frame and fender bolts. If the paint on the frame bolt is chipped or mismatched, those panels were removed after a severe crash. And number 6, AC needs little attention.
He's a liar, a very bad liar.
Never fail for this classic phrase, AC is working bro, it just needs more gas. If it only needed 15,000 naira gas, the seller would have filled it to seal the deal. 9 times out of 10, small gas leaks means leaking evaporation coil inside the dashboard, or a dead AC compressor, or the AC is totally gone. And number 7, your vehicle documents. One of the very way you can easily verify if a car is not stolen is by the original document. Match the 17-digit VIN, the vehicle identification number on the windscreen and the driver door jamb with the original proof of ownership, custom papers, and CMR. If the numbers don't align perfectly, or they offer you allocation papers on a Tokumo car, run. And finally, at number 8, I have taped over dashboard light and hidden fault. When you turn the car key to the on position before starting, make sure the check engine, ABS, and airbag light turn on briefly and then goes off after starting. Bad sellers frequently remove the LED bulbs of check engine light or place black tapes inside the instrumental cluster to hide severe engine and airbag failures. Always remember to always plug the OBD2 scanner before paying a single kobo. Don't let the excitement blind your inspection. Save this video before your next car hunt. And also remember to drop a comment below to like, share, subscribe. It's the least you can do for me. What's your worst car buying mistake you've ever witnessed? Follow for more. You're welcome.